So our session today is regarding navigating and building a career in arbitration. It goes without saying that it's a very stimulus and intellectually stimulating and rewarding path for individuals to work in arbitration, whether it's domestic or international. The types of disputes that you can counter and you can experience, it's limitless. The interesting part is how to do it and how to develop it. And it's fantastic to see a very diverse panel covering different attributes and different skill set. For example, I do not work as a lawyer, but I work in arbitrations. There was always that general misconception that only lawyers are conducting arbitrations or working in arbitrations. It's very important to know that arbitrators and people in arbitrations come in all shapes and forms. Whether you are an engineer, whether you are a counsel, whether you are a solicitor, lawyer, or whether you are a case management tribunal secretary, there are enormous amount of people who work in the background in arbitrations as well. So the career path and choices are limitless. But before we move into that, there is an interesting thing. Why arbitration? International commercial transactions are the most essential and crucial part of conducting international trade. And this requires a satisfactory legal regime to govern it. Now, dispute resolution mechanisms like arbitration, mediation, and negotiation are the present and future of governing such transactions on a global scale. Arbitration is a form of alternative dispute resolution where disputes are resolved outside judicial courts by neutral third parties called arbitrators. Now, I know there is significant amount of respective judiciary sitting, of course, under the auspices of the judicial supervision, and that is in model law and majority of court proceedings across the board.